Good morning, 8th grade. I just wanted to make this little video for you, and I'll do one of these every week to just give you an overview of the week's assignments. I'm Mrs. Valdez, and you'll meet me today at 10 a.m., but for now, here is your overview. So every week, you can either click on modules over here, or you can scroll down to this area and click on modules. These are done by week. So let's click here. Being a little slow this morning. And you can see that I have it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I want to point out that that is a suggestion. You can do all of your work in one day if you'd like to, but in my opinion, it will be better for you if you kind of space it out so you don't feel overwhelmed. And also so you don't put everything off until Thursday night. That would be a bad idea. So today you'll click here on Monday, and this is just a get to know you assignment. So you will read the directions. Click here to make yourself a copy, and then once your copy comes up, you will put all of this information on it. It says you need to change the file name to your name and remember to upload it to Canvas. Do not share it on Google Docs. So when you're ready to upload, you're just going to click Submit Assignment right here and upload that slide. Okay, when you're finished with that, click Next. This seems like a huge assignment, but really it's not too bad. This is called the Canvas Scavenger Hunt, and the purpose of this assignment is just to familiarize yourself with Canvas. Since you're online students, you're going to be using Canvas every single day, and I'll be asking you to do a lot of different things with Canvas. So you'll click here for the Canvas Scavenger Hunt. And then this is why I said it looks huge, because it's an entire module. So a lot of the pages though are just informational and you don't have to turn things in. So make sure you read all the words and follow the directions. There's a little quiz, there's the information about the home page, tells you how to take a screenshot with your Chromebook, sending your teacher a message, viewing your announcements, how to participate in a discussion, taking a photo with your Chromebook, sharing, viewing, editing with Google Drive, and then looking at your grades and feedback. So it goes pretty fast, but that's the assignment for that day. Okay, I'm going to click back to, or scroll back up here to Wednesday. This is just an assignment. You're going to read an article and answer some questions. Thursday is an introduction to graphing. So this is a PowerPoint, and then you have an assignment to do after you view that PowerPoint. And then Friday is just an introduction to the type of writing we want you to use in science, which is claim, evidence, response. So we'll go over the rest of those days when I meet with you this week. So we'll see you today at Monday at 10 a.m. Remember, if you can't make it, it's okay. All of the meetings will be recorded and you can view it at your convenience. That's it.